Welcome to my new maths channel, Trendy Maths, and today I'm going to be posting a video which you all should know about from the title below. So, I would just like to start off introducing my channel to those who haven't really clicked on it or haven't actually seen it before. So it's about math topics that high schoolers and school people struggle a lot. Even adults in everyday life have to use this, and they don't even have a clue how to do this. Some might, but some might not. So I'm just going to cover the basics of this topic, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and everything. So every week I'll be starting off with something called a maths treat. So it's going to be like a really fun type of maths, so it's not just complicated maths. So I just don't want to keep you guys waiting, so let's just get on with the video. So the topic that we're going to be learning about today is algebraic manipulation, and actually this is one of my favorite topics, so I thought it would be a good start to my new channel. So again, I don't want to keep you waiting, so I'll just get on with the example. So let me start off with giving you a basic breeze type of question which has some things to do with manipulation, but not everything. So say we have the fraction 42 over 63. I would just like you to simplify that. This is just a warm-up exercise, and it would really help you with other hard questions. So if you don't know how to do this, I will quickly show you. So for this, you will need to simplify your question. What you will do is you need to find a number or a times table that both these numbers go into. So I'm going to just take 7 because 7 times table is basic, and you really need times tables to know manipulation well. So if we have 42 divided by 7 is 6, so we'll simplify it to 6. And then 63 is 9. But it can be simplified further into the 3 times table, so 3 times 2 is 6 and 3 times 3 is 9. So therefore you'll get as your final answer 2 over 3. So again, it's really basic. And now I'm going to give you a harder question, but I will actually show you myself, but you can pause the video to do it yourself. Okay, so now if you have the question, say 24 AB cubed and 42 A squared and B. Okay, so to do this you would need to simplify it again, but since it wasn't like the last question, it has AB squared and cubed and everything, so it's going to be a little more difficult. So here's how you do it. Again, like the last fraction, you simplify it, so both of these go into the 4 times table or any times table basically. So I'm just going to go with 6 times table. Yeah, I mean they don't go into the 6 times table, but basically 24 goes into the 4 times table. So 24 divided by 6 equals 4, and then 42 6 times 7. So that's not the only bit, so you just leave AB cubed and A squared B. So this is how you do it. You know that you have A and then you have A squared. So this is actually a really hard thing that people struggle to understand. So what you need to do, you cross out A because it's on its own, but then this is A squared, so this would just become a normal A. And if you're not getting what I'm saying, after a few more questions you will. So make sure you keep on watching this video. So now we have B cubed and B. So you know you would cross out B, like the last question, but then you have b cubed. Now you wouldn't turn it into just a normal b, like this one. This is b cubed, so it would actually be turned to 2, as in squared. B squared. And because 2 is the number before 3, and there's squared and cubes, so it's actually going to be b squared. So now you have everything simplified. You can't do a with b or anything. So you write your final answer. Since I had 4 over here, I would do 4 over 7 here. So I have 7. And then I have b left over because 24a and cubed is crossed out. So I will write b, and then I have squared. So 4b squared. And then the denominator, I have a left, so 7a. So this is actually your answer, and it's not really as difficult as people seem to make it. So I'm going to give you another question. I'm going to give you 15x squared over 20x cubed. I would like you to work this out by pausing the video, or if you don't still understand it, then just keep watching. Okay, so you hopefully have tried it, so now it's time to explain this. And you just don't really know all the answers by start, you have to keep working it out. So I know that 15 and 20 both go in the 5 times table. 5 times 3 equals 15, and 5 times 4 equals 20. And then we have x squared and x cubed. So what we do for this is we cross out the 2 because it turns into a normal x, because 2 turns into 1, and then x times, well, itself 1 times is actually x. And then x cubed, it would turn into squared. And then you would get your answer, which is 3x over 4x squared. So, because you have the x over here and you have the squared here, and this is still x squared, so you need to make sure that you know this. Now, a really common mistake is your answer is not this, because this can still be simplified into its simplest form, because x is still here and then there's still x squared. So what the answer really would be 3 over 4x, your final answer, because you need to look at a way for simplifying it. Now this was actually a trick question at the first start, so I just wanted you to think that it was 3x over 4x squared, so make sure you don't make that mistake again. I'll be giving you a couple more questions and we'll see how you do at them. So here are some questions for you. Make sure you pause this video and do them. I will not go through them and their methods, but I will just tell you the answers at the end. And if you think something is strange, you may want to recheck your answers, because these questions are not wrong. So pause the video and try these. So here are the answers. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and make sure to check out my other videos by clicking the notification bell and everything. And also, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below what you thought of the video or future videos you would like me to make. But bye for now.